Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for January 25th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair surged to the upside much higher, ran right into previous resistance, pulled back significantly prior to the close. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 78.54, possibly down to 77.31. Look for some resistance around 78.25 and look for some support around 77.50. Now the EURUSD, it pulled back significantly as well, but did close higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 132.72, possibly as low as 128.44. Look for some resistance around 131.25, and look for some support around 129.25. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair pulled back as well, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 157.93. possibly as low as 154.54. Look for some resistance around 156.75 and look for some support around 155.25. Now the US Swiss, this pair continues to move to the downside. Pulled back, pretty strong pullback, but did close down for the day. Look for it to potentially go as high on a reversal up to 9400. Look for it to potentially go as low as 0.9091. Look for some resistance around 0.9305 and look for some support around 0.9175. Now as far as news announcements go, we have tomorrow the U.S. durable goods for December being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has dropped from 3.7% down to 2.0%. Which would be bad news for the U.S. dollar. Then at around 6:50 p.m. Eastern, we have the Bank of Japan to publish their minutes for December 20th and 21st board meeting. No real consensus on that one. Typically, the market doesn't move on that news because it has already been, the numbers have already been released. All right, now what am I looking for during this next session? If you look at the US-Japanese yen pair, this particular pair has created what I like to call a window of opportunity, and we are looking for that to break. Basically, we had during today's session, we had a strong move to the upside, pulled back several pips, about 60 pips to close, lower than the previous bar. This could be a reversal, so I'm looking for a short at 77.54 and looking for it to come on down through this area that is zoomed through once before down to 77.31, right into previous areas of resistance that would now be support. So looking to grab not quite 30 pips on that one, about 23 pips actually on that move. So that's what I'm looking for during this next session. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.